Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can enable the two-factor authentication in your Epic Games account. So you have an Epic Games account that you use to buy a lot of games and install and play a lot of games in your PC, and now you're worried about the security of that account, so you want to set up the two-factor authentication for your account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to enable the two-factor authentication in Epic Games account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to enable the two-factor authentication in your Epic Games account is open a browser and go to epicgames.com. Once you go to epicgames.com, you land on an interface like this. Now here, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to enable the two-factor authentication for. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you land on an interface like this. Now here, what you want to do is simply go to your profile name, then go into your account settings. Once you go into your account settings, you land on an interface like this. Now here, you land on the general settings to enable the two-factor authentication. What you want to do is go into password and security settings. Once you go into your password and security settings, if you scroll down a little here, you'll see an option labeled as two-factor authentication. So to enable the third-party authenticator app, which is the best option, I'll suggest you just simply tap on this toggle to turn it on. Once you do that, you'll have to follow some simple process. For these other two options, it is very simple. What you want to do is simply tap on this toggle if you want to enable the SMS authentication. It will use your phone number to send a verification code every time you log into your account. So what you'll need to do is simply enter a phone number and verify your phone number to enable this authentication process. Or if you simply want to use your email as your authenticator, what you can do is simply turn this toggle on to enable the email address authentication. Every time you try to log in, Epic Games will send an email verification code to the email address that you've entered as your Epic Games email address. So you can do those two for these two options, but the best two-factor authentication option is to use the third-party authenticator app like the Google Authenticator and many other options like that. So I'll show you the process to do this. So simply tap on this toggle. Once you do that, what you'll have to do is download and install the third-party authenticator app of your preference and create an account there. Once you log into that account, what you want to do is simply tap on the add account button in that authenticator app. So once you tap on the add account button, you'll see an option labeled as scan a QR code. Tap on that option and scan the QR code shown in this screen right here. Once you scan that code, your account will be added to that authenticator app. Now what you want to do is simply type in the authenticator code that is shown in that authenticator app for your account. So go ahead and enter that code. Once you do that, tap on the activate button. Once you do that, you'll see a bunch of backup codes. Pick one of these backup codes and always remember this backup code, save it somewhere so that you can use this in the future in order to log into your Epic Games account if your authenticator app is not present or something like that. So tap on the download code button, then a file will be downloaded. Once you do that, what you want to do is simply close this, and you have successfully enabled the two-factor authentication in your Epic Games account. Those are the simple steps in order to enable the two-factor authentication in your Epic Games account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.